Physiorelax Ultra Plus is a massage cream with a complete formula that comforts your muscles and ligaments quickly and effectively. It is highly effective against the fatigue generated by the daily activity on the whole family. Use it before, during and after sport, or after a long day of work on your back, legs or arms. Thanks to its formula with essential oils such as arnica, devil's claw, hypericum or calendula, they comfort, tone and leave a relaxing sensation of freshness on your skin, helping you to rest better. Unlike other creams, Physiorelax Ultra Plus contains rose hip and glucola, taking care of your skin and nourishing it in depth. Therefore, it is perfect for the whole family and large areas of your body. Indications. Cream contains rose hip and centella satica, two ingredients that deeply nourish and care for your skin. Its formula with peppermint as an essential oil plus arnica, devil's claw, St. John's wort or calendula helps to comfort, tone and recover your muscles and ligaments. These ingredients are not new, they have long traditions that thanks to innovation and collaboration with professionals in physiotherapy and the world of sports, it has been possible to create a unique product that contributes to your well-being. How to use. Apply the cream directly to the area to be treated and spread, massaging for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Caution. For external use only. Avoid contact with eyes, mucous membranes and wounds. Discontinue use if irritation occurs. Do not eat. Check with your doctor if you are pregnant or breastfeeding. Use only as directed. Do not apply to skin rash, irritated or damaged skin. Do not use if you have hypersensitivity or allergy to any of the components. Use only as directed. Keep out of children. Variations. Cream. Its creamy texture is special for massage and to be able to dedicate more time to the muscle. Spray. You just have to shake and apply it, so it is recommended for quick uses and to reach difficult areas.